Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites: PAN, Aadhaar, a linked bank account, and the mobile number used for eKYC. Open Kotak Neo and sign in with your customer ID. Allow app permissions so features work. Once done, complete eKYC and link the bank account using IFSC and account number, then verify microdeposit or OTP. You should enable biometric or strong PIN for faster trades. This reduces friction and secures orders when you place them within the app. You pick a stock or ETF from the watch list, then analyze the intraday or daily chart inside Kotak Neo to decide entry. Choose an order type, mark it for immediate execution or limit to control price. Use stop loss to cap risk. For overnight or after-hours needs, place an ammo. Once placed, monitor execution status and fill percentage in orders. If volatility shifts, modify price or quantity, or cancel to preserve capital. These controls let you implement risk rules and respond to market moves. You finalize by reviewing trade confirmations and the Holdings tab. Note settlement is T+1 for equities and depends for derivatives, so track ledger entries. Reconcile margins, brokerage charges, and P&L to prepare for taxation. If trades don't execute or funds don't reflect, first refresh and re-login, then check order ID and transaction timestamps. If issues persist, contact Kotak Neo support with the order ID and screenshots. This speeds resolution because support can trace events using.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.